What's up, Broadcast Nation? Today is a very sad day, but also a very exciting day. If you kind of saw from that little video there at the beginning, I finally said goodbye to the SS Camaro, and in its place, we have this '05 C6. So, let me tell you about it. So, real quick, before I start telling you about it, I was going to take you guys for a drive, but it's honestly, it kind of keeps being shitty outside. It keeps raining on and off and stuff. And I don't want to drive something that I haven't got to know yet in the rain. Also, having a little bit of an issue that I want to take care of beforehand. So, I'll tell you about that here in a second.
All right. Well, it's a '05 Corvette C6. It's unfortunately red. Arrest me red, you know. I didn't really want red, but you know, it was a good deal. So it does have some kind of aftermarket mufflers on it. They did kind of a piss poor job though here. Like you see these tips are kind of wonky. Sounds pretty good though. It is supposed to be a Z51 package, which means it's supposed to have better suspension. It's got these bigger brakes, cross-drilled rotors, you know. Gearing in the transmission is supposed to be a little shorter. Just stuff basically for autocross. Yeah, overall, it's not a bad car. The guy added that like ZR1 style spoiler, and it's got a ZR1 style like front lip on it. Overall, it's not bad looking. It's not the prettiest. It's got some, you know, it's got some spots here and there. Main one being the front bumper. I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but all of those little white spots all down in through there, those are all rock chips. So yeah, but like I said, overall not bad. Got a good price on it. Can't complain. It's got a 115 or 16,000 miles, 6-liter LS2, all stock. So that's kind of nice. I like something that hasn't been fiddle fucked with, you know. But yeah, so the issue I ran into on the way home is a common Corvette issue, apparently. So this fuse right here, relay right here, is for the fuel pump. Well, stopped to get gas, turned it off, went to turn it back on, all of a sudden it's not starting. Apparently for some reason, well, not for some reason, it's actually the pins underneath here, which I will have to fix. They can kind of get messed up a little bit, and it causes these to get too hot. And then when they cool back down after they shut off, then all of a sudden they don't work. Kind of burns them out a little bit. But luckily you can switch this one, which is just wipers, like washer fluid relay or something. You can flip that in there. But yeah, that was fun. Also, another thing that happened is for some reason the fan quit working, which from my understanding is also another Corvette problem. I have to look into that. It looks like it's probably the connection, the pigtail there, but it's whatever. Uh, but yeah, I mean, it's not a bad looking car, like I said. Overall, it's got some problems here. This fender needs lined up better. Somebody fucked with it. People can't keep their grubby little dick beaters off of stuff. These cars are really weird though. I didn't know, maybe you did, but everything's electric. Even the door handles. So yeah, it's a little weird. It's a little weird. Oh yeah, and then there's a little spot there. Somebody probably cracked the edge of the door on something. But interior, it's not too bad. I mean, it's typical for what you'd expect on, you know, this old of a car. But kind of cool. They're push button start. Oddly enough. Yeah, it's weird. So you get the key in here. So give her a little start. See, not too bad. Fuck you tire service horse shit. What's really cool is that right there. I know you can, yeah, that's cool. Heads up display, and you can change it here. Get track, shows you like your oil temp and your G's going around the corner. That's just a different layout. Yeah, well, that's pretty cool. It's got your RPMs on there. So, it's not bad. I mean, it's not like an amazing sounding car or anything. Oh yeah, that's a weird thing. Shift to reverse when you shut it off. Guess it's some kind of something to do with the battery. I don't know. Seems weird to me. But yeah, I mean, I like this a lot better than the Camaro. Just because I can actually see out of this thing. So like, you know, when I look that way on the highway, or you know, I look over this way, I can actually see shit. Like, it's fantastic. So, yeah. I mean, also, like, look, even that's how you get out. That's weird. That's really weird. But yeah, I mean, I know this is not a crazy detailed anything, but I just wanted to make a little video, show you guys the new car. Like I said, when I get the chance, I gotta get those couple things fixed, and it needs to stop trying to rain. We'll take her out for a spin. I mean, she's pretty quick. Obviously not as quick as the Camaro, but, you know, that's fine. I just wanted something, you know, I wanted something I could have fun with. And, very importantly, see out of. Also, this roof comes off when it goes back here in the trunk. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, I guess I could show you the trunk. Trunk's really clean. I mean, overall the interior is pretty clean. It's the outside that just needs a little help. But, you know, like I said, I can't complain. I feel like I paid a good price for it. It's pretty enough. So that's all I can really ask for. You know, it's pretty enough and it's fast and fun. So I'm going to beat the absolute dog piss out of this thing. So look forward to that. I do have a few things ordered for it already. Just some like little tune-up stuff, plugs, wires, uh, just shit like that. So nothing crazy yet. I do want to put headers on it eventually, and run some kind of actual exhaust system instead of this like cobbled together crap that they have on there. So yeah, but there it is. I guess let me know what you think. Um, Comment down below any other common stupid electrical problems I should be looking out for. Um, that's the only thing I'm not excited about, to be honest. But it's fine. They've been out for a long time. There's plenty of forums, so I'll get it figured out. But yeah, there it is. Till next time, keep off those jack stands. Stay broke, folks.